Want to use Gmail with your domain like you're at yourdomain.com. Here's how to activate Google Workspace on your domain under 90 seconds. First, go to workspace.google.com and then click Get Started. Enter your business name, contact information, and the domain that you want to use. If you don't have a domain yet, you can buy one through Google during setup. Next, you'll create your first email account. This will be your admin email like info at yourdomain.com. Once your account is created, Google will ask you to verify your domain, log into your domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap, and go to the DNS settings. Google will give you a TXT record, copy and paste that into your DNS record, save it, and wait a few minutes. After verification, Google will guide you to update your MX records or emails route to Gmail. Once saved, your domain email is active on Google Workspace. That's really it. Your domain is now live on Gmail with Google Workspace. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more domain setup tips, and comment if you want a full guide on setting up DNS, SPF, or business email branding next. And until then, I'll catch you in the next video.